Just that god darn expected. Ah!
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Mercer County in central New Jersey, southwestern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, southwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, east central Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Flemington to near Hellertown, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Allentown, Bethlehem, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, North Brunswick, Ewing, Princeton, Byram, Bedminster, Jamesburg, Hellertown, Flemington, Tinicum, Cranberry, Clinton, Pennington, New Hope, Hopewell, and Ferndale. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near Exit 9, Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 60 and 71, Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 13 and 18, Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 71 and 74. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Upper Delaware Bay. Tonight, west winds 5 to 10 knots with gusts up to 20 knots.